Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot reading to for Air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates. By the way, kung hindi ko pa naka-follow sa page, ito yung page namin, Madam P. TikTok shop, Unipri, UNIPRI. Diyan ka pwede mag-avail ng mga products sa amin. Gmail at saka Facebook, diyan ka kasi pwedeng mag-email mag-message. May mga admin ako na mag-a-assist sa'yo if you want to book a personal reading. Available sa akin, astrological, palm reading, tarot reading. Kung gusto mong malaman details sa future husband or wife mo, I can do that if you're interested. Kung saan mo possible makilala yung husband mo, wife mo, sino ang pwedeng maging taong maging involved sa pagkakakilala ninyo, I can do that. Ilagay mo lang sa notes or questions. Kasi you can ask question naman. Depende sa kung ano yung ibubuk mo na reading. Let's start what we have here for the sign of air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. Divorce final is here. This is yung main energy mo. Retaliation. Sorry about my voice, guys. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. Kaya nga, guys, sana mag-comment ka kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment. Kahit masama pakiramdam ko, nagaganahan akong mag-reading, no? Makita ko lang yung comment nyo. So, sana mag-comment kayo. Kahit heart-heart lang. Anyway, kukunin ko rin yung person mo. Energy ng person mo. Receipt is here. Grip. Okay. Waves is here at the bottom of the deck. Plug. Internet. Alam mo, iba yung nakukuha kong energy dito. Sa totoo lang. Alam mo bakit? It's like, it could be a relationship in the past, ex. Pwedeng meron pang, with the divorce and the final here, pwedeng may marriage pa na involved. Pero, hindi nag-i-expire ang di ba? Ang marriage or ang contract. Pero, the way I feel here, the connection here is that nakakuha tayo ng expired. Ganon. Bakit? Kasi waves is here. Pwedeng yung emotion. Kung hindi man yung papel ang na-expired, si emotion ang na-expired. Pwede nagkaroon ng realizations, diba? Pwedeng kasalanan din ng person na kakonect mo. Pero anyway, alam mo naman yun kung kasalanan mo. But the way I see this is that merong connection na nag-end. May pruweba, may naging dahilan. The more na hahawakan or ipipilit ang connection, the more na mahihirapan. With a grip right here, nakakita tayo dito ng dahilan para to let go. Ayan, may kita mo dito sa picture, there's barbell, there's a man na parang nasa gym, naghahawak siya ng dumbbells. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Sa connection ninyo, naging daan lang itong connection na ito for both of you, for the both of you, na magkaroon ng okay, nakilala kita, naging tayo. In a way, hindi ko naman pinagsisisihan yung naging relasyon natin. Kasi may natutunan ako. Naging mas matapang ako, naging mas malakas ako. So, both of you is like a lesson for each other. No? Na oo, nandun yung emosyon. Pero nandun yung may dahilan na kasi ngayon for you to, both of you, hindi lang ikaw, no? Pati sa energy niya, for the both of you to be you do have your done at the bottom of the deck. Kumbaga parang may dahilan na para tapusin na 'to, eh. And nandun yung sige, let's stay connected with the plug. Yung iba kung wala kayong connection, mas maganda may connection, eh. Kung ikaw itong may hawak ng divorce or paghihiwalay, okay, maghiwalay tayo. Pero okay lang na maging connected pa rin tayo sa isa't isa. Like maybe online connection. Especially kung may mga children na involved. Hindi man kasi pwedeng mawala or um, ipagdamot, sabihin na natin, yung anak. So maganda may ganun. Yung iba guilty dyan, eh, na parang alam nila sa sarili nila na gusto ko na makipag-iwalay pero ayoko nang may balita pa siya sa akin, sa amin, ganun. Kuha tayo ng emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. For air sign. Yeah, crickets is here. Yung iba, you don't want to talk to this person. Ayaw mo siya makausap. Journal. Yung iba naman, kung gusto mo siya makausap, then I can see talagang walang communication kasi. Or, kung magkakaroon ng breakup or separation sa inyo, definitely, ang unang mawawala is the communication. Which is, malaking pagbabago. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, pwedeng you feel alone dito sa relationship na to. 'Di ba? Kasi magkarelasyon tayo, we should work things out. We should be like partners. Pero ikaw kasi, lalo na kung ikaw yung tipo ng taong pag nakipaghiwalay ako, ayoko maging kaibigan yung nagiging ex ko. So if that is your case, if that is you, pwedeng ganun, ano? You don't want to talk to this person, you don't want to see this person anymore. Emotions niya for you, this person, you do have interlude. Oh well, this person wants to see you. Wants to, interesado siya sa'yo, sa pamilya mo, etc. Sa mga nangyayari sa inyo. Lalo na kung ikaw yung umiiwas, lalo na kung ikaw yung lumalayo. No? Because there's blood ties. And especially sa anak. Hindi na ikaw, eh. Yung sa anak na lang. And gusto niya makabalita doon. Gusto niya malaman. But you, I don't know, you want to hide. Yung iba gusto mo magdusa tong person na to. Or gusto mong hindi ko nakikitang gusto mong ma-realize niya, eh. Yung mga nangyari, yung mga ginawa niya, etc. But rather, wala ka nang pakialam, ganun. What will happen in the near future? In the near future. You do have your crush. Okay. Crush. And unconditional love. Waves is here. Karmic. Ang bottom of the deck is a divine feminine. This could be your karmic person, karmic relationship. Honestly, in the near future, there's a possibility of a broken heart kind of energy sa side mo. Especially if alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. So there's a possibility na dahil gusto mo yung bagay na yun, there's something here na kailangan masaktan or dapat masaktan. Kasi you cannot have both. Hindi mo pwedeng makuha pareho. Like for some of you, you need to only pick one. If you're dealing with a third party situation, may another person, you have to pick one. And pwedeng the other person nakakonect mo, which is the karmic relationship, has a lot of emotions for you. Kung hindi man sa'yo, sabi ko nga, sa mga anak. But, kailangan mong magmatigas about dito. And there's this feeling na mas mararamdaman mo yung pagka mag-isa mo pagdating sa pagpapalaki, anak, usaping anak to guys. Masyadong mature tong connection na to guys. So, hindi lahat makaka-relate dito. Kung hindi ka nakarelate, wag mo kunin ng message ha. So, in the future, I see you feeling alone, ngayon pangalan na ramdaman mo na yun, di ba? Parang mag-isa ka lang sa connection. But, the way I see this, kung ikaw yung iniwan, na hindi na nakita yung halaga mo, I can see another person, honestly, na pwedeng magbigay ng love, makita yung importansya mo, and yeah, I can see communication with another person na pwedeng maging next chapter, maging involved sa next chapter ng buhay mo. No? So, all in all, itong connection na to, it's just an experience for you para maging mas ready ka sa kung ano man yung paparating na better love para sa'yo. So, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.